What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Will from Will Surf. It is hot out, it is summer, and we got some waves. I would say it's about a 3 to 4 foot wave out there right now. It's looking pretty fun. I know, right? It's looking fun.
Yeah, man, have fun.
Thank you, bro. But yeah, see, everyone's stoked. We're gonna get out there, have some fun. Yeeew! That was cool. Woo! Real quick, guys, before I wrap up today's video, I hope you all had a happy 4th. Also, for this Thursday, I am planning on doing some trail bike riding just to get a different video going. Some more action-packed stuff, but just a little bit different. Plan on me releasing that sooner than 3 weeks. I'm planning on releasing videos a little bit more frequently. doing some different content because, as you guys all know, the waves aren't firing every single day. If you guys haven't already, be sure to smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeeew!